Good morning, students. In the last video, I have explained about the characteristics of an effective computer audit program system. The next concept is characteristics of online computer system. So, the characteristics of online computer system may apply to a number of types of online system discussed in the previous section. The most significant characteristics relate to online data entry and validation, then online access to the system by users, then possible lack of visible transaction, trial, and potential programmer access to the system. The particular characteristics of a specific online system will depend on the design of that system. So here the online computer system, it depends on the design of that system, and based on that it will perform the various functions. So first characteristics of the online computer system is when data are entered online, they are usually to immediate validation checks. When the data are entered, they immediately go for the validation checks whether the data is valid or not. Then the data failing this validation would not be accepted and a message may be displayed on the terminal screen. So if we are preparing the any if we are entering data relating to the particular month, consider May, and if I entered any data that are related to the April, then immediately it will show that so it will not accept that data and it will immediately send a message that will be displayed on the terminal screen, and providing the user with the ability to correct the data and re-enter the valid data immediately. So they will send a message on the terminal screen. It says that the whatever data has entered, it is incorrect, it is not correct, and they can immediately re-enter the valid data. For example, if the user enters an invalid inventory part number, so that is if the user, if he has entered any invalid inventory number, so then an error message will be displayed enabling the user to re-enter the valid part number. So that is the first characteristic. Next one is users may have online access to the system. The users, those who are using that system, so they have the online access to the system, and that enables them to perform various functions. So that will help them to perform various functions. Example, to enter transaction, they can enter the transaction, then they can read, change or delete programs and data files through the terminal devices. Then unlimited access to all of these functions in a particular application is undesirable because it provides the user with the potential ability to make unauthorized changes to the data and programs. So in unlimited access to all these functions in a particular application is undesirable. They can't do that because it provides the user with the potential ability. It provides the user with potential ability to make unauthorized changes to the data and programs. The extent of this access will depend on the extent of this permission will it will depend on such things as the design of the particular application and the implementation of the software designed in order to control access to the system. It depends on that. The third one is an online computer system may be designed in a way that does not provide supporting documents. So here the online computer system, it is designed in such a way that it does not provide the supporting documents for all the transactions entered into the system. So whatever transactions that are entered into the system, that may not be it may not provide the supporting documents for all the transactions. So however, the system may provide details of the transaction on request or through the use of the transaction logs or other means. It will not immediately, it will not provide the supporting documents. If we are requested, then it will provide the details of the transaction and through the use of the transaction logs and other means. Then illustration of these types of system include orders received by a telephone operator who enters them online without return purchase orders, and cash withdrawals through the use of automated teller machine. So this is the example for that. So this is about the characteristics of an online computer system.